Look at this big cake.
It is a beautiful cake.
The party starts at 5. Fart so
The
deep.
kids will be happy.
I love chocolate cake.
Chikku, are you there?
No, Daddy, I am playing.
Okay, stay in the room.
Mom and Dad are gone. The cake looks very tasty. Should I eat a little? Yes, I want a piece.
Oh no! Look at the cake!
Who ate the middle piece?
I am very sad now.
Where is that mischievous boy?
What is the problem?
The cake is broken.
I see chocolate footprints.
Follow those footprints, Nivi!
I'm on it.
Be very quiet now.
The footprints stop here.
Is he under the bed?
Let's look and see.
He is not here.
Where is he hiding? Look at the closet. The door is moving.
Is he inside here?
Open it very slowly. Are you ready, everyone?
1, 2, 3, go!
You found me! Boo!
Chikku, you are messy!
I am a laundry ghost!
Where is the cake?
Did you eat it?
No, the cat ate it.
We do not have a cat.
Maybe a big dog?
What is on your face? It is brown paint?
It smells like chocolate. Maybe it is chocolate paint? Chikku, you ate the cake! You can't catch me!
Stop, you little monster!
I am too fast.
I am coming for you!
Wait, look at the plant. What is inside the leaves? Do you see it, kids? It is a silver fork.
This fork is dirty.
Is there cake on it? Yes, it is blue icing. Chikku's favorite color is blue.
Tell the truth, Chikku. No, it's my work. You ate the cake. I am not talking. Gotcha!
The party is ruined.
Don't cry, Lisa.
I worked so hard.
We will find the cake.
Mommy is crying. I feel bad. I was a naughty boy. I must help her. Look, I found it.
Where was it, Chikku?
In my treasure box. Is the cake okay? I am sorry, Mommy.
Thank you, Chikku.
Eat! Let's have a party!
Help me with balloons.
I love these colors.
We need 50 balloons.
I can do it!
Look at this balloon.
It is very big.
Don't be afraid, Nivi.
Do not pop. Look at my hair. You look like a monster. Zap, I have magic. Ouch, that was a shock.
Whoops, the floor is slippery.
Be careful, Mommy.
Chikku, pick up these marbles.
I am sorry, Mommy.
Is the banner straight?
No, it is crooked.
Pull the string, Nivi.
I am pulling hard. I am stuck, Mommy.
The tape is very sticky.
Hold still for me.
Hold still for me. Thank you, Mommy.
Ready, set, go! I am the winner! Put it on the table. It looks very nice.
I cannot find the tape.
Is it behind the box?
Do you see it, kids? Look under the chair.
Wear this party hat.
I cannot see anything!
It is a bit big.
Hello, where are you?
Oh,
Gotcha.
you sure did.
I am playing music. Listen to my whistle! It is very loud, Chikku. I love this song! I am writing names. I am drawing monsters. Chikku, stop that now. The monster is hungry.
This box is heavy.
I am the king.
Get off the box. Get off fun ride.
Facts. It is a fun ride.
No juice for flowers.
They are very thirsty.
Flowers drink plain water.
Oh, okay, Mommy. I need that ribbon. I am a gift. You are a mess. Help me. I'm stuck. Where is my gift?
I don't know, Chikku.
Do you see it?
Maybe it is gone.
I found it! Ah!
Wait for the party.
Can I open it?
No, not yet, Chikku.
I am a princess. I am a superhero.
We look very cool.
Look at he.
Are you okay, Chikku?
I cannot fly, Mommy.
Superheroes must be careful.
I need a snack. Don't touch the tower. Is it for me?
It is for everyone.
Just one little bite? You have white cream.
Where is it, Nivi?
I'm your funny gnome.
Oh, Chikku.
I am a snowman.
Let's clean you up.
I will buy a new cake. That is a great idea.
Can it be a giant one? I am sorry about the old one.
Look what I have here.
It is huge and beautiful. It also smells like sweet chocolate.
Wait until you see the inside. Chikku, listen to me carefully.
I am listening, Dad.
Never take things without permission.
I understand now, I promise. I will always ask first.
That makes me very proud.
He is a good boy now.
Yes, he is our good Chikku.
Everything must look perfect. I am putting the forks here.
I have the blue napkins.
Good job, my little helpers.
It is a chocolate dream. Can we eat it now?
First, we must sing.
Let us light the candles.
Who wants the first piece?
Me, please, can I? Chikku gets the first slice because he learned his lesson. This is the best cake ever. It is better than the first one.
Everything is better when shared.
A perfect party for everyone.
I love my family so much.
We are a great team.
No more missing cakes.
I love you all too.